Okay, for 13, they're telling us they have a cube that's 125. So, I mean, visually, right, what they're asking for A is to find this side length, S. So, if the number cubed is 125, we're really looking for the cubed root of 125, which is 5. So, for A, it's 5 units, right? Oh, cubic inches, they tell us what it is, right? So it's 5 inches. So for A. And B says find the surface area of the cube. Okay, so all the faces are the same, right? This is a face, right? This side here is a face. And there's 6 of those faces. So one of the areas of that is 5 times 5. So it's 6 times 5 squared, right? Because 5 by 5 is one of the sides. It's a square. So it's 6 times 25, which is 150 inches squared, right? Is the surface area of that cube.